Hey everybody, welcome back. We are at a place we haven't been to in 2 years at the Chua Trail here in Gainesville. So it's been a couple years since we've been here. We're going to go out here and see what's around. Hopefully get some good sized gators if I don't get attacked by this bee. And we'll see what they have to offer. This place always is a crowd pleaser. It's one of the best in the area, in the state, to come to if you want to see the big gators. So come along with me and we'll show you what we found. Yeah, the old railroad bridge abutment from the days long past. Hard to believe trains used to pass over this thing, you know, probably 75, 100 years ago. The old barn for the property. Clearly not used anymore. All right, back to the place we've been to before. Got a crown, I think a crown night heron right there in front of us. And we're gonna go all the way around and out there. All right, let's see what we can find today. When we were here 2 years ago, we did really, really well here. Great blue heron on the hunt. Oh, little fish and turtles jumping over there. Big old gator right here just caught something. Just as we were walking up, it grabbed something off this little corner here. No fishing and no feeding the gators. Never would have guessed. Oh, look at this guy. Look at that bird right there. How cool is that? Try to get a still shot. They're chasing. Yeah, they're actually chasing each other. Look at that. And don't forget your safety guidelines. Always got to think about safety, especially at a place like this. I mean, there's several gators out across the banks over there, but obviously not within the range of the GoPro that I use. That's a good size gator. Very, very good size. There's a gator right there. Laying there quietly. You never even know it's there unless you're paying attention. It's a decent sized one. Look at this. Resting its head on top of the other one. This is incredible. Look at this. Look at this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was pretty unique. Never got gators trying to mate in the wild before. That one was massive too, and then that smaller one it was trying to be with. It's a very unique place. There's a lot to see here, and there's a lot of other parks in this area. You got Sweetwater Preserve, you got Payne's Prairie, you got the Bowling Bluff Trail. There's all kinds of stuff you can go check out, especially if you want to be around the wildlife. Soft-shell turtle laying her eggs. Just a baby gator all by himself.
There's like 5.